Famous singer Divine Ikubo, popularly known as Rema, has broken legendary musician King Sunny Ade's 41-year-old record as a Nigerian artist with the longest-running album in the US Billboard 200 charts history. Recall that King Sunny Ade has set the record with his critically acclaimed album Juju Music in 1982, 18 years before Rema was born. The album spent 29 weeks on the Billboard 200 charts and was the longest-running Nigerian project in the chart's history until it was recently displaced by the young Nigerian sensation's debut album, Rave and Roses, which spent its 30th week on the charts this week. Nigerian singer Raoul John Njeng-Njeng, popularly known as Skales, has narrated how he fought with colleague Kizz Daniel at Timaya's residence in Lagos. According to him, he was drunk when the incident happened. The Shake Body crooner disclosed this in a recent interview with Beats 99.9 FM Lagos. He also said he believes his rift with Kizz Daniel is squashed now. Is Rema becoming one of the greatest Nigerian musicians yet?